One of my teachers, Omram Mikhail Ivanov, a man I never physically met, spoke of an aspect of our higher consciousness that he called the body of glory. This is taken from a Christian understanding, a mystical Christian understanding. Your body of glory is the highest expression of your being, expressed as a field of light, kind of your higher self. And it exists in dimensions other than this one, but the body of light is something that we grow, and that can grow in size and intensity and beauty through all our lives, perhaps. And one of the ways in which we grow the body of glory is through beautiful expressions of awe in the present moment, of awe, us being utterly saturated by the present moment and its beauty, and allowing it to just fill us and flood us. And when those moments happen, then we grow our body of glory. It gets an influx of light from the beauty of all those moments. And the more of those moments we create for ourselves, the more our body of glory grows around us and through us. And the body of glory then sends out rays and impulses of good fortune and love and service into all directions. So I bring this up because of, the modern dilemma of giving away the beauty of the moment through our obsession with documenting it. And, the body of glory is a secret thing. It's not something you show off. It's not something you can show another. Something you can't even see yourself. It's invisible. You can sense it. You can sense it in others. And yet, I want to just open up this contemplation for you to consider the next time you pull out your camera or your whatever it is that you do and you post yourself doing something wonderful on social media or wherever it is, however you do it. It can be a habit. And that's not to say that it can't be a wonderful thing, and it's a part of our natural sharing with each other of our essence, which is a beautiful thing as well. So I'm not against such things, but I caution us not to let it become an obsession or a self-obsession. And it can become that for many of us. And then we lose the secrecy, the golden secrecy of that beautiful, pregnant moment that we're sitting in. We're out in nature, or we have we make something beautiful, and then we immediately photograph it and share it. And some things are not to be shared and photographed. Some things, yes. Some things maybe you might want to consider. I'm going to keep this a secret. I'm going to keep this to myself. I'm going to keep this moment for me, for my body of glory, for my soul. How precious that is. How powerful that is. How beautiful that is. And then the irony is that we then build up this sense of self-assurance that then transforms any anxieties that we have about self. So when we reach immediately to document the moment from the outside, often it's because of a lack of self-assurance or a lack of, that preciousness, and we want to give it away. We want to give it away, and we give it away too cheaply instead of drawing its sustenance and its nourishment deep into our souls and letting it live there forever, for eternity. So there's such beauty in that. So you might want to consider this when you're out in the world and you find that balance, that happy balance between holding those precious moments for yourself and sharing some of them, ones where it feels like appropriate to share. Yeah, so consider these things, and I hope it's of use to you. Much love.